Hello everyone, it's Giles and Myles and we are back with the Battle of the Burgers. We're now going to take you through to our test kitchen and you'll also see some of the chefs behind the scenes, so you get a little sneak peek, and it's going to be Milo versus Giles in the Battle of the Burgers. Come on through and have a look.
And we all know who won the pancake one, isn't that right, Giles?
It was rigged. Let's go.
What are you cooking, Giles?
I'm cooking a black bean cheeseburger with sweet potato fries.
Very nice, very nice. I've been absolutely stitched up with the Rösti burger with slaw and cheese sauce. So let's see how we go. Oh no, getting onion onto the laptop already.
Why do you need the laptop, mate?
I haven't quite, this is a tough recipe, Giles.
Take it as the confidence the chefs have in you, giving you the hardest one.
They just wanted to laugh, to be perfectly
honest.
honest.
Or they just wanted to have a giggle, one of the two.
Cannot believe every chef I've spoken to today has just laughed at me when I've said I'm doing this recipe. They've all gone good luck and ran off. Getting on over there, good?
Yeah, all right, mate, actually. I'm pretty confident over here, don't you worry.
Good, yeah, me too. Absolutely, 100%. All right, Giles, how do I get these Röstis off? It's the moment of truth.
You know exactly how to, because the chef told you earlier.
Oh, there he goes.
Oh,
there we go.
All that practicing at home's worked out.
There we go. I'm back, baby. Oh, you're in trouble now, Giles. You are in trouble.
Guac's good. Now we're gonna, last couple of minutes for me.
Last couple of minutes? You already done? I've got a little while longer.
Oh, don't worry about that. Perfect. One. Oh, second one. Look at that. I'll put them on top like that. Oh. Then we're gonna go for the onions. Get them on top. Oh, lovely. Look at that, everyone. Lovely soft onions. Finally, I'm gonna add some sweet potatoes. Obviously want to make them look good for you guys.
We'll see you in a little bit, yeah? See you in a little bit, mate? My recipe does take a little bit longer. You know, it's not me being slow. It does take 5-10 minutes longer.
And
yeah, that does look pretty good.
I mean, let's be honest. I know you guys at home are thinking, he's won it already. Let's give him a chance let's give him a chance, but that's pretty special. Black bean burger, beautiful guac, paprika dusted, sweet potato wedges. Look at that. So there you have it, the Battle of the Burgers is complete. Giles, which took 20 minutes, most people only have that amount of time in their lives, or an hour and a half for Myles over there.
Yeah, if you're not super busy like Giles, then you can make the ultimate burger over here, or you can make that. So let us know in the comments which one's your favourite, Myles, the ultimate, or Giles.